I wouldn't say Jamaica is big on street food, especially not when compared to places like Thailand and China, but we do have our share. Here are the 10 most popular Jamaican street foods, roadside snacks, street treats that you can enjoy on your next visit. Let's start with the healthy street food options. From grapes to guineas, there are a variety of fruit options on the streets of Jamaica, all of which can be eaten on the go. Pineapple, banana, watermelon, orange, cantaloupe, apples, papaya, cane, jelly coconut. You can buy as is or have them cut and bagged for you so you can snack on your healthy treat as you go about your day. For example, these pineapples are already cut and placed in bags. You may also choose to purchase an assortment of fruits pre-packaged in this handy container. If you need a healthy option to quench your thirst, you can purchase fresh coconut water from the jelly man. You may even get a little performance while they cut the coconut for you. If you are lucky, there may be some sweet jelly on the inside, which offers yet another healthy snack. This is basically a 2-in-1 packaged deal. And depending on the time of year, you may find peppered and salted June plum to further tantalize your taste buds. And if you don't want to eat your fruits, you can drink your fruits. So this might not be a street food stall that is very popular throughout Jamaica, but it's one that you should definitely visit when next you come to Montego Bay. Get fresh, rich and healthy smoothies blended right before your eyes. It's quick, tasty and perfect to have while on the go and very filling. If you want to learn more about what Ras Aita offers, you can check out this video after you finish watching this one, and I will also leave a link in the description box. Now, if you're looking for something sweet to raise the blood sugar quickly, then you should definitely try one of Jamaica's most popular street snacks, peanut drops. This popular Jamaican sweet treat is often made with roasted peanuts, sugar, ginger, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, and water, which are all cooked together to form a sticky syrup that hardens once cool. If you replace peanuts with sliced and diced coconut or shredded coconut, you get coconut drops or grater cake, respectively. But these are not as popular as peanut drops when it comes to street snacks. You should, however, definitely give coconut drops and grater cake a taste if you're into trying Jamaican snacks. Of course, if you just want a healthy mini snack, you can always get some raw or roasted nuts to keep hunger at bay. Next up on our list of the top 10 most popular Jamaican street foods, we have soup and porridge that warm your insides, or better yet, bust the gas when you run out of the house and forget to have breakfast. Some peanut porridge or cornmeal porridge should do the trick, and you will surely find a porridge man on one of the major streets in Montego Bay and of course in other Jamaican cities. In the late morning or in the afternoon, you can find the soup man, where you can get a hearty helping of pea soup, pumpkin soup, chicken foot soup, just to hit that sweet spot. Yes, Jamaicans still love them soup even in the heat. Next up, we have shrimp. The reddish orange color of the Jamaican peppered shrimp is a testament to the spice that will greet your taste buds. Another favorite Jamaican snack. Jamaican peppered shrimp is cooked with onion, garlic, thyme, allspice or pimento, and of course a whole heap of Scotch bonnet pepper that adds the unmistakable fiery kick. This spicy sea cockroach will surely excite your taste buds and turn up the heat on an already hot day. Yes, I said cockroach. Number 5. After the heat from the shrimp and the sun, you must be thirsty, and that's where our next street treat comes in. When you can't find a jelly man or you need something ice cold, you can quench your thirst on a hot day with sky strawberry juice. This traditional Jamaican thirst quencher may seem familiar to you. That's because it's similar to a snow cone. It's shaved ice with syrup, a bit of water, and sometimes a toops of lime. It's cool and refreshing, and you will definitely enjoy it, but watch out for the bees. Want a full belly? Then you are probably looking for something a bit more substantial. But that, of course, is relative to the size of your appetite. Next on our list, we have the famous Jamaican jerk chicken. Another favorite Jamaican food. Jerk refers to a style of cooking in which the main ingredient, which most often is chicken, but may also be beef, pork, goat, seafood, or vegetables, is coated in spices and slow cooked over a fire or grill, traditionally composed of green pimento wood positioned over burning coals. The resulting smoke is key to the flavor of the dish. You will find different jerk stands throughout Montego Bay and Jamaica as a whole. Most will usually serve it with a slice of bread. Some, however, may even offer a couple festivals on the side. Number 7, roast corn. Roast corn is another Jamaican favorite. Usually at this stall, you can get both roasted and boiled corn and sometimes soup. Some vendors pair the roast corn with a piece of dry coconut. Now, the first time I saw this was actually in Westmoreland a few years ago. By the way, have you ever tried boiled corn and cheese? It's absolutely yummy, and you should definitely try it if you haven't yet. But be careful. Number 8, crab. This next street food is another Jamaican fan favorite and is definitely one of the most popular Jamaican street foods. Now, this is something I've never had before, but I know that it is definitely something most Jamaicans love. The crab is seasoned with garlic, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper if you want it spicy, coconut milk, curry, and of course salt. It's hard to miss the street vendors selling it out of white buckets on the side of the road.
Different type of season we use. We use pimento, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, and powder seasoning.
Powder seasoning.
Of your choice.
Okay, how long it take to prepare?
Roughly maybe an hour.
Okay. Number 9, roast fish. Now, roast fish is a delicious addition to the Jamaican street food menu. I'm not a fan of steamed fish or stewed fish. I'm a lover of fried fish, but I also enjoy roast fish. To prepare, place the fish in aluminum foil with butter, onion, scallion, garlic, pimento, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and black pepper. All of this is enclosed in the aluminum foil and then roasted over a fire while all the seasoning and juices just melt into the fish. This is usually served with bami or tough crackers. Number 10. Recently in Montego Bay, I've seen a lot of hot dog stands, so let's add that to the list. I would also like to give honorable mention to roast yam and sawfish, not so popular on the streets of Montego Bay, but let me know if it's popular elsewhere in Jamaica. Check out these videos if you want to learn more about restaurants in Fairview. Subscribe and like to support the channel, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Jamaican street food?